Hello everybody and welcome back to the Red Mountain Retreat Town, and this is our Merciless Naked Brutality campaign. That was difficult to say. Okay, so last episode was a raid which was dealt with by our traps, not a problem, and basically we've just been left alone. It's been quite nice, thank you Randy. We've put in a perimeter wall there, or we will be putting in a perimeter wall. I was looking at it and I was thinking maybe a bit higher up. So I'm actually going to do that. So first of all, we've got that perimeter wall there, this one here, and that one there. They're all forbidden just now. I was toying with the idea of doing it here and having all of this area, but for the moment all this is all we need. We don't really need any of that. We can always dig into the mountain as well, but again, bugs, yeah, etc, etc. I didn't realise that was close to steel, so we're going to mine that out. It's a nice big vein as well. But yes, I think we're going to start... Oops, excuse me, got hiccups. Whenever I start recording, every single session I always seem to have hiccups. Anyway, we're going to get rid of that. Oops, just one of them apparently. And then we're going to do... granite wall across there. Granite wall across there. But it's going to be forbidden just for now. Didn't really want the door that far over, but whatever. And we're just going to forbid it before anyone starts building it. Orders and forbid section across there and there. Wonderful. Where are you going, bro? You're going digging, aren't you? Yeah, that's cool. Finish that vein off. You'll probably want to come and do this one soon because it's closer. Either way, I'm fine with that. We're at power because we don't have any fueling in, which means that is warming up. Yes. Now, after you've done that, can you refuel that? No, don't repair it. Just fuel it. Thank you. Okay, that turkey can be mine. I wish I had the mod that allows me to milk blue, what they call boomalopes for neutral aiming. I might get that at some point. It's quite useful. I don't really need chem fuel just yet, so I'm not going to bother trying to milk them. This club is useless. And you are just pathetic at that. Come on. Stop trying to hit it and hit it. Good effort. Alright. Okay, let's speed up. There's no reason to be going slow. It's a mess in there though. Did you get dealt with? Yeah, you did. Self-harm. So when you've done all that, can you clean in there, please? Let's power back online. This can be turned off for now. See no reason to have that on. Cool. Alright, so how much steel do we have? We have 434, so we will put a concrete floor, concrete floor in there. Let's get that done. It's not particularly ugly. Manhunter pack. A pack of manhunting elephants. Wow. How many? One. One elephant stuck in a hole. Traps should do that in if I keep everyone inside. It should get done in by this one and that one, but let's watch. See where it goes. In fact, I think it takes more than 2 traps to take down an elephant. That's coming this way. So, and they're not rebuilt. Of course they're not. Great. Anyone around? Nope, not yet. Okay, it hit 2 traps. It is death in 15 hours. It's going to hit those. Still not fucking down. Everyone's inside, correct? Yes. Any traps up there? Yes, but it's going to miss them. Fuck. Ares! Could you take that on the elephant with a club? How much pain is it in? Can I select the elephant? It is in severe pain. 77%. What's its pain shock threshold? 80%. I reckon if I clobber that, I can take it down. Oops, I was wrong. Stunned it. Down. Cool. How much damage did I take? Ooh, quite a bit. Do you want to go and get healed up? Do you want to go and get in bed? And Sai. How many meals do we have? 1. Oh, that's fantastic. Can you first of all come here? Like, rapid. Thank you. And then tend. Excellent. Okay, we need some meds. We really need some meds. Take the elephant. Yep. Butcher it. Nope. Okay. Can you? No. Butcher first. Then go do what you want to do. Oh, shit. Okay, meds. Now that the snow is gone and Christmas is over, the winter is over, can we? No, because there's still no meds on the map. Okay. Planting needs to be done on the 6th of April, mate. We're on the 4th. We're nearly there. Nearly there. Can I make sure I've got growing on a 1? I do for alpha, that's fine. Should get on that. Just going for a walk. Rice plant has died from rotting. Yeah, that's cool. I want all this dead before I start thinking in, please. I mean, it should have been cut by now. No, still not doing it. Okay, whatever. Okay. On your sowing area, right? No, that is not ideal, my friend. Can you cut plants before you sow, please? So, growing on A2. Yes, so you'll cut plants first. Excellent, there we go. That's a good lad. Cut lighted plants. Alrighty. And you've given up. Fine. These things are done. And is in there done? No, it's just a blueprint. Because you're cooking. Can you, when you wake up, if that's Aries, you're there. You're doing that. After you've done that, can you hold that for me, please? Excellent. And then hold that. Oh shit, no, cancel that because you've gone too far. Too quick for me, darling. Too quick. Alpha is done with this. Should be very shortly. He's given up because he's eating a meal. That's fine. At least food poison is no longer an issue. And when you've done in there, can you clean, please? Thank you. Excellent. Right. That is what I call the job done. Now, will you grow things? No, because you're cleaning. Why will you not sow? Sure I put... Oh shit, that's why. Oh, idiot. Right, back on a 1. And back on a 1 where there's no constructing to do. Wonderful. And you just sowed one thing and then gave up. How irritating. Whatever. You're just cooking, which is not a bad thing. Can you haul as much as you can, please? And just crack it out. Yep, that's it. Clean first. Carry on. What were these? A shaman merchant. I don't think I need anything from them. Alpha, you're my best social. Would you mind? Iguanas. Neutrarium would be fantastic. I have no capacity to grow, make any drugs or smoke leaf. I don't need. Plus steel. Not yet. And I don't need any of that. Will you buy anything from me? No, you won't. Good trading, dude. Good trading. Alpha, you're incapable of violence, so can you go at the end? You are ranged melee. Can you go there? Fantastic. Alright. Where have you gone, Si? You're feeding a simple meal to Aries. That's cool. Can we get these traps remade, please? Should almost be out of meat. Cooking simple meal. No. Can you haul that? So that's the smart way, thank you. When you've done that, can you haul that? You fucking wouldn't, would you? Haul that. Thank you. Right. Go do what you need to do. Tattered apparel and low medicine, yes. Building the traps, good stuff. And you're doing the floor. Excellent. Right, we need some lighting because it is dark in there. I want a wall light times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and where's the other one? 6, I think. Cracking. Oh, it's looking lovely. fact, it's not looking lovely because it's ugly. -1. Yeah, should have made them out of paved tiles. Never mind. It's only a story. It's fine. Cool. And we have light. Now what are you doing? You're fixing, which means all of the traps are built. Correct? Yes. So I'm going to unforbid sections. We're going to start with here. Nope. This section we'll start with because it's got no traps involved. Correct. Apart from that one. That can be. It's not there again. Are these not set to auto rearm? Why are they set? They should be on auto rearm, all of them. Every single trap should be on auto rearm. Why are some of them not? It's because they're not in home zone. Is that why? That is why, isn't it? Zone. Home zone. So all this is home zone, correct? Yes. But the traps are not, which is why they're not getting rebuilt. Okay. Well, they will be now. I think that's my thinking anyway. I'm not sure if that's correct or not, but whatever. Yeah, because that'll be rebuilt. Whoa, Aries! Yo! What's up with you? The fuck are you attacking that boom rat for? Oh, it's mad boom rat, shit. Didn't see. Whoa. That was a silly idea. How you doing? Ooh, okay. I missed that. Somebody come and put her out. Where is everybody? Can't see for all these people. You are in bed, in bed, in bed. Can you go out on your own, or are you going to be okay? Fire size 36, yeah, it's pretty big. Can you come and put... Can you get up, please? And no, can you just put the fire out on Aries? Apparently not. Why not? Somebody want to come and put the fire out on Aries? Is it out? It's out. Huh. What the hell? I couldn't even hear that mad boom right happening. How stupid. Grizzly bear revenge. Wonderful. Wasn't even attacking a grizzly bear. Oh. Iguana. Okay. What the hell is going on? God. Are we done now? Oh, you're gonna get infection and die. Yeah, definitely. Shit. God, how irritating. Okay, anyway, crisis averted. Back on the building of the wall. You've finally gone to here, which is good. Food is perilously low. 8 meals a day. We've got 11 meals. That's 1 day's worth of food. It means that. Oh shit, we've got 12 meals a day. It's got these two. How are we doing there? You are 12.9, I'm 7.5. It's probably time to build more bedrooms. Straight across. We'll just do 2 for now. It will be like that, and then will be like that. Floors as well. Don't want those floors. Let's remove them. Cool. Somebody should do that straight away. Oh god. Can't believe I missed that warning for the boom rat. Didn't sound notify me, so I didn't see it. I would not have gone and asked someone with a club to go and attack it otherwise. But whatever, it's fine. This is on a nice temperature. Cool, we just need to cool it down for the summer. We may need to get more people sewing though. Aries, can you help sew? Just sew crops. do that before growing, yeah. And you are 2. Not really overly fast, but at least you can't fuck it up, so it's okay. Cool, just help get it done. It's a bit more important than mining at the moment, we've got enough steel. Cool. That's it. Okay, that's one of them, good effort. What am I building out of here? Granite, cool, why does it look so different? Why does it look different to that granite? Because that's lit? Wait, what? Oh, I don't know. Don't actually know. Maybe because it's not under a roof, that could be it. Yeah, that's the reason. It's just oddly strange for a moment. Floors, we want wooden floors, of course. Let's put that door in. Anytime today. Thank you. And we're going to want 2 more beds. Not the right way around, yes. And we'll do these ones on this wall just for fun. No, not there. Party bed. We'll do that one there. That's not even right. Who knows? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Cool. We're also going to want wall lights. Now I can do the power. The power. Like so. Across there, apart from there. And there, which is going to be underground. Excellent. Looking good. Cold snap. Fan-fucking-tastic. Okay. I did want to get some cotton on the grow. On the grow. On the go. Shit. Potatoes will be more resilient actually, but that's going to drop quite considerably. Hopefully it won't last too long. Hopefully it doesn't last too long anyway. Oh, I don't need a cold snap right now. I prefer a heat wave. Okay, cool. It's alright. Can somebody come and refuel? I thought that was a high priority. Alpha. When you wake up, bro. Would you mind? Thank you. You're digging there because I told you not to sow. That's fine. Probably get you to re-thingy. We're not going to. Right, can this be... In fact, we'll move them shortly. Not just yet. Did I put the lights in? I don't think I put the lights in, did I? I do want to put power cables between the middle. That's not massively important just yet. Okay. Well, that sucks. Really wanted to get cotton on the go. -10. It's going to go to -15, I think. Oh no, -9. We could actually grow. Could sow it. I think we might be okay. So it's 2 AM and it's only -10. -11. Oh, it's telling me up there. Potato and rice is dying. Fine. Whatever. It's fine. This room is done, so for prisoners. Let's get these guys split up. Can I get them split up? That's the question. Probably can't. Because, well, I can only move one at a time actually. So if I do that, you should move one of them. Yep. And then it's going to be back to prisoners. Excellent. Okay, so we've got their own bedrooms. Cool. And I want a wall light. There. And there. Cool. Okay. That wasn't entirely necessary now, but it's done and it's done quickly. Oh, my wall's done. Ah, shit, I should have told you to do that first. Can you do that one first, please? In case you mess it up, thank you. Excellent. First perimeter wall is done. It's going to be triple strength at some point, but not yet. Because I want them to sap through one of them, preferably there. So, okay, what needs building? That is the question. I could really use a hospital dedicated prison area. Is that important? I don't believe that it is just yet. I could use a workshop, but I could always wall this off for now and have a workshop on this side. That sounds like a great idea. So there is a gap, then 1, 2, 3, you think? Build a copy, it will be there. So the wall will come down there. If I put that there. Okay. Cool. Zzz, always fun. And his room's on fire, and he's too stupid to put it out. Of course he is. Ares, where are you? Actually not that far. Can you go and put that out, please? Fire in your room, dickhead, and you're just gonna leave it. That's clever. Stupid pawns. What's now? Thrumbros. Just the one, but I don't think. See, would they change to 100%? No, 35%. I don't think I can take that out yet. I could kite it, but I have a minigun, which is not ideal. A machine pistol. No, I'm gonna leave it alone. Although I would love the meat from its shit. Speaking of meat, what's close? Boomlope, not the greatest thing to hunt. Thrumbos, not the greatest thing to hunt. What's it called anyway? It's called a thrumbo. Thrumbo. Okay, I always call it wrong. What's close? That's close. Sarnica, would you mind? I'm gonna need food. What's up here? Ooh, lovely and rotten. No, we're going to leave that for now. It's fine, it's not deteriorated anyway. What's that? A squirrel. Not hunting that. That won't. We'll set that to mine though. Sad wander on Sarnica. Well, that was definitely my fault, wasn't it? Did you actually make it though? You did make it. Can someone else cook? Alpha, apparently. Alpha, what are you doing? Cleaning dirt? No. Can you come and butcher, please? I'm an idiot. Then can you haul that meat? No. Can you come and cook? In fact, you're a shit cook, so can you clean first? Thank you. I'll just ignore that bit, but whatever. It's too fresh, I would say. Can you haul that? What? Okay, now can you cook? Cracking. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, we have some meals until Cyanide comes back to us. And good, that's it though. Okay, so animals, wildlife. The map isn't that big, so we're just gonna go Is that it? We'll take the turkeys as well, why not? And most of the plants are actually surviving. The cold snap is still on. Is it worth planting? Don't know. We don't know. I think I want... I don't know what I want. I want to start working on these walls, but which one? This one, I think. So we're gonna unforbid. Nope. Unforbid all of that, and we're gonna reinstall this. So like here, for some reason. Not entirely sure why. Before you do anything, you just do that. Ta. Cool. Okay. Come on, Sarnica, feel free to come and join reality again. Yeah, well. 2 meals down already. Seriously? Just made 6. He's consumed a simple meal. Cool. And then he's going to come and butcher. Don't care how tired he is. run him into the ground. Nope, he's gonna haul that. And then he's gonna clean. And then he's gonna not cook, 'cause there's no power. Excellent. He's gonna come and repair that. And then he's gonna take a meal apparently. He's gonna come and cook until he collapses. That's it. Cool. Now, go do what you want. He's collapsed. Cool. Get up. Okay, so cargo pods. We have steel. Lots and lots of steel. Excellent. Always a win. Cold snap is over. Good. Let's get these on. Thank you. Let's get that done now, please, guys. Should be 2 people working on that. We've lost 4 days, I think that was, which is not ideal. Not what I want. Okay, good. Being planted. Potatoes. That. I actually wanted corn. Too late to do corn. Too late to do corn. Do corn there. We'll do. This will be cotton. Allow harvest. And this one will also be cotton. Nope. There. Allow harvest. No. Excellent. It's not a massive amount of cotton, but it'll do. It'll do. Be slow going for a while, but we could extend it because we're not going to be using this event for a while. Well, we will be soon actually. Prisoner rescue request. Okay, a prisoner is being held at Burney. He's 62 years old. He is passionate for shooting, cooking and animals. He won't do social, but he's steadfast and coordinated. Where? It's not too bad. It's 1.9 days. What guards the site, bro? 3 enemies. Probably can't take on 3 enemies just yet. 23 hours left on that. Completely forgotten. Right, piece of Talks quest. 0.7 days. We'd have to leave right now. And I have not prepared. Oops. Sinica, what are you doing? Playing chess. Now what? Are you going to actually be useful? Yeah, you are. Cool. Okay, we're out of meals again. Wow, we are eating so much. That is crazy. Okay, we're going to have to get more hunting done. And we'll take all of them. Take that as well. So keep it coming in, Dibbit. You're doing it again. Can you... You are butchering. No. I know you selected, that's why. Can you butcher? And then take the mass amount of meat, please. That'll do. Cool. Alright, so. I need some dogs to do some hauling. That's what I need. Wonder when the game will give me huskies or labradors. Probably never. That cotton is done. Is all this done now? No, we're far, far from being done. Dibbit, what's up, mate? Okay, you're done now. Go home, go bed. You're fine, you just need to eat. Reserve right carts. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Get that out of the way. Let's toggle that on as well. You eaten? You have. Can you just do that, please? Cool. Can you do that? Excellent. That's one less thing to worry about. And then this can be turned off. Dibbit, bro. I'm gonna rest or something because damn, Why did you go up that way? Why didn't you come through? Oh, whatever. Whatever. And he's broke. He's dazed. Well, a good effort. Now we have a flash storm. Shit, that was really close. It is really close. Ooh. Oh god, did he get it? I think he did get it. Ooh, I'll get it again. Okay, so it has cataracts, so his sight is very poor. His moving is poor. Consciousness is 85. It's actually in really, really bad shape. I'm starting to wonder if it's worth taking down. We're probably going to have to deal with these fires, people. Luckily the cold snap killed most things, so should be alright. Keep an eye on it though, we'll watch it for now. We have a new recruit, finally! Okay, who do we have? We have Boss, who has decided he's going to crack open some rocks for us. So, Boss can firefight. He can be a patient. He is definitely good at doctor, he's got burning passion. Bed rest when I tell him. He can do basic, yes. First of all, he needs to go and equip a weapon. What is he? He is either. Wonderful. Okay. So grab it as a melee person. I don't have a shield belt just yet, but I suppose you could do either, couldn't you? Yeah, do you want to come and grab a triple rocket launcher? No. Can you come in and grab... Oh, it's got to be a crap bow for now. If you get to make a decent bow. Incendiary launcher. Yeah, we'll equip that. You can burn people for now. Cool. Alright, so you have a bedroom. Can I give you a bedroom? You've took your own bedroom, so that no longer needs to be for prisoners. Just you now, bro. How long? Can't actually see. You are... It's 6.3. Cool, not long. Boss, where were we up to? You can hunt with an incendiary launcher. No. You can do that if you've got nothing else to do. Likewise. On a 3 though. You won't mind. Okay, that's fine. You can definitely smith, tailor, craft, because I believe you're my best. Fire. Okay, I'll deal with that in a second. Art. No, you're not artistic. Research. You've got nothing to do. Okay, is that correct? Where is he? Boss. Intellectual, medical with a passion, artistic crafting. Yes, you are going to crafting. Will you do dumb labour? No, you won't. So you'll be very bored very quickly. However, I can just get you to cut stone blocks like forever. Because I'll add a bill to make marble blocks as well. And we'll do until we have not 2,000. I always do the wrong one. 800, and we'll just just drop them on the floor, and we'll do the radius of like there. Pause when satisfied, yes, and we'll just unpause it at 220. Okay, that was good to me. We have no granite blocks left. Ah, that would explain. That would explain why we're not building the walls. Okay, granite blocks, radius 38. We'll put that as unlimited because you can just go out and get them for now. That is not a problem. There's our divot. Yeah, we've dealt with that well and truly. Fire where? Yeah, I should probably deal with that. Anybody? Possibly. Q. Cool. Okay, so we need to get these hauled in. So if I set these to haul urgently, saving tracking. Good. Everyone should be on that. Oh, we need power. I'm sat here watching it just flicker, but we need power. And when you've done that, can you do that? And that, please. Divot, you can go back to a 1 on research, which is what you should be on. Yes, but you need to sleep. Yes. Fine, right, okay, back on top of it. Need food again. We have to go for a bigger game. Great. How's the rice doing? Some of it's okay. Yeah, we'll have to go for a bigger game. Oh, I don't really want to hunt them. Merciless could take out a hunting party. Incendiary launcher, machine pistol, and a minigun versus a mega sloth. This is going to be a bad idea. Just you three for now. See what happens. Aries, actually, can you come to here and try and bait me? Okay, that's good enough for me. Can you... Where's the finish off option? Okay. So we just hunt it, that'll be better, won't it? One mega slash should be enough for now, so if we undraft, and you should hunt. Nope. Can you finish off? That's what I want. Cool. Can you now haul it? Thank you. Right. We have dinner. Apparently an incendiary launcher is a good hunting weapon. Seneca, you're hauling chunks. No, can you... I know it's priority, but can you just do this for me? Oh, I have loads of meat. Oh. Can you haul... Can you come and cook? Don't worry about that. That's it. And the power's gone. Well, half gone. And now you're doing that, doing that, doing that. Yep. Instead of doing that, can you haul all of that? Excellent, and cook. Fantastic. We got there in the end. Things being refueled? No. Debit, can you just refuel that for me, please? Shit, need more wood. Ugh. Right. Going to have to chop all of that and all of that, please. This all hauled yet? A few more trips. It's cool though, it's cool. I need to clean it at some point. Which I think was alpha anyway. And boss is just cracking on with that. I like it. Excellent. For the meantime though, this can be held open. Excellent. Okay. Going well. Apart from self-harm on Hess. The second time, why do you keep self-harming? Why is that your go-to thing? There is no reason at all for your self-harming. No reason. Okay, cool. We'll just come in, attempt to fix you up. Meds would be a good idea. Alpha, can you get up and clean, please? Oh, you're still doing that. Right, okay. That's probably enough. What are you doing now? Relaxing socially, then you do what? You rest. Of course you do. Can you... Yes. When you've done that, can you haul that, please? And haul that, then haul that, then haul that. Let's get it out of the way. Haul that, haul that, haul that. Cleaning. Alright then. Haul that. Haul that. Fantastic. And that's a good idea too. Okay, I'm happy. Oh wow. Are you alright, pal? Blood loss severe. So how about we get your sewing? Yeah, you want to come and clean here. And clean there. Clean there. By the time we've done that, it should go down. should go down being the keyword. There we go. Can you capture please? And send. Okay, death in 6 hours, but it'll be fine. Has to stop self-harming, medical emergency, rotted away, for fuck's sake. Right, it's time. We need to put a cooler in here. Even though we don't have geothermal yet, but it's fine. Can you actually build it? You're cracking on with that, excellent. Now this does increase the chances of us getting a siege, which I can't really deal with without mortars, but we'll work it out. We will work it out. At least we'll get some mortars from it, that's a bonus. You're going unlimited distance. You are, aren't you? Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so any of these that are on the map that are ready, where are they? Just there. Can we harvest? Whatever's ready, please. Because 0 meds is never good. And Alpha, you really need to start healing, cleaning, bro. So can you get this finished? I mean, we can't be down to 4 meals already. What? What's going on? Ah, right, okay, yeah, 'cause I set it to 3. Well, this probably obviously needs to go back up now. So up to 10. And we need to cook until we have 30. So up to 30. And that needs to be 10. Cool. Blacksmith is no longer capable of walking, that's fine. When you're done there, do clean please, and then clean. No, not gonna let me select it. Didn't think you would. Cool, alpaca meat is right away. I know, I'm working on it. Ooh, that was a bit of a lag. Caravan request. They want 31 components, can't afford to give them away, and they'll give me a pain gun, uranium simple helmet, masterwork. Okay, for now, no. Where have you gone, Si? You've gone to bed. Excellent. This cooler needs to be 0 degrees. Well, preferably lower than that. Say -3. I know it slows that down, but yeah, the meat, I don't want it spoiling. Can't really afford that just yet. Okay, cool. I don't know why I paused it there. There was no need to pause it. But yeah, when you've done that, can someone just come and clean this, please? Oh, it'll let me. I can't clean it. It's not in the home zone. Is that what you're selling me? For God's sake. Right, I'm going to have to put the auto home zone on. It's annoying me. Thought I'd try it without, but it's going to need to be on. Because I'll forget otherwise. Yeah. Okay. Are you even close, actually? 5.4. Oh, you were on a break, weren't you? So I couldn't actually get you. It's unfortunate. Areas, what are you doing? You should be sewing. You will be when you're done. Sinica, are you rested enough? Yep. Get up. Alpha. Maybe what that'll do. Let's get cleaning done, please. Divot. Get up. Okay. You're only eating without a table for? I have to put that little table in here. I think I do. It's going to go in the workshop room anyway. I'm going to put it somewhere. I want to say here. And I want some furniture in front of it, just a chair. So the people, in fact, it can go right. Oh no, tool cases are going to go in the middle. Just get it built, that's all. Don't want us eating without a table because you're further away from that table. It's not acceptable. What are you doing? Okay, so I need someone getting these heel roots done, please. Is that set to cut? harvesting, yeah, 73%. That's fine. Okay, all of the rice is done. Can we harvest this now? Yes, we can. Cool. Should get it all done in one go. There we go. Wonderful. Excellent. It's not quite all done, but it's close enough. All that is planted. Yes. So now what do? You rest. Of course you do. Whatever. Oh, it's coming together quite nicely. I like it. Was that wall completed? Oh wow, it was. Oh, fantastic. This can go somewhere else. There. Since we shouldn't hit it. Alright, it's time to do this wall. Orders. What are we on? I can't see the blocks. On none by the looks of it. Unforbid all of that. Reinstall this. There. Okay. How many blocks do we have? Oh, we do have 5. It's not in the zone, that's why. Because I have nobody to haul them. Give me my huskies! Can you, when you've done that, can I select you? There we go. When you've done that, will you do that for me? Thank you. I want a copy of this. Just there. Alright. Basic defences are in. Geothermal's nearly done. This is clockwork right now. We're at 46 minutes as well. Not too bad, not too bad. Hess is fully healed. Good. Good, good, good. You're nearly mine. What were you again? Crafter. That makes 2. Okay. So let's start getting those benches done. We want an electric tailor bench just there. We want probably a sculptor's table, but not massively important. A smelter might not be a bad idea. Yeah, because I can get people smelting. Smelting, smelting. Oh, what a world. If I do that, then that, then that. So I can fit 3 in there. Cool. I really need that power coming in. Come on, guys. Oh, we need chairs as well. Architect. Furniture. We'll just do wooden chairs for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cracking. We start sprucing up people's bedrooms as well. Trees. Did the trees get done? No, the trees have not been done yet. It should be done next. You think? Tree cut, plant cut. Alpha should be doing it after he's delivered to buildings, which is there, there and there, yeah. Perhaps. Don't know. Who else? Boss should be doing it as well. Wait, no. Just Alpha. Suppose I could go do it. Now constructed. That's probably not a bad idea. But maybe hauling and cleaning is probably better. All of that can be hauled because we're going to start smelting. As can that. Or in fact, it can all be hauled. Yes. And we're out of power. Again, because we're out of wood. No, we're not. So can you do that for me, please? Since nobody's doing refuelable buildings for some reason. Can you do that one as well? Okay. Should be the last time we have to use them. Dibbit should get that done. I hope. How's your research coming along? Oh, he's doing well. Cool, cool. I'm going to forever call him a he. It's not a he, it's a she. Oh well. Transgender Dibbit. Sounds fine to me. Right, when you're done, can you do that, please? Like, all of it. Okay, so Hess is going to be mine shortly. And you can take that bedroom. First thing Hess is going to do is clean. I forgot to have a look at. So you were crafting animals and you'll cook. So I'm going to get you to learn cooking, I think. That means food poisoning for a while. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. Are you melee or ranged? You're melee, so that's good. I'll give you a elephant tusk. 6.89. DPS 2.6 seconds per attack. 2 seconds, that's quite slow. But yeah, you can have an animal tusk, I think. Where's the damage? That's the market value. Damage. There. Slow attack. Blade is 1.5. That's not too bad. 10 damage. What was that again? 6. Yeah. You have to. You could pour a knife, I'm afraid, bro. And we failed on him. Of course we did. Boss. Anyway, I'm gonna rename you. So you will be called. We will call you. Let's see. I have no idea. No idea what to call you. So for now, you can be unnamed. I think. I don't know. We'll just call you boss because I can't think. Apparently. And that's not the way to do that. Come on, Danny, sort your life out. I'm gonna need some names. Where are you going? You're cutting stone blocks, that's fine. Keep on because I think we've used most of them. Is this wall done now? Oh, it looks lovely. It does indeed. Sappers or raids, one or two. Either way, we're good. We don't have anything made of wood apart from our floors. It's not too bad. Okay, so a taster, named Madden calls you from nearby. He's being chased by pirates from the scimitars. He begs for safety and offers a general call. He tells you he's 26 years old. There's no time to collect any more information. Be warned if you accept. Fight off the pirates on his tail. The group is composed of 2 drifters, 5 mercenaries, that's 7, 3 scavenger gunners, that's 10, and 2 scavenger thrashers, that's 12 in total. Won't do dumb labour, won't do intellectual or artistic, chatty, nervous and industrious. Sorry pal, it's just not worth it. Too many of them as well. They're the worst kind of raids in the game, them. Always overpowered, loads of people chasing. Before you do anything, bro, Q, and you want to just go out and haul, perhaps? You don't have to go miles, and I'll tell you what, we'll do that. We'll get it all in. Why's it going into there? Come on. Cool. Excellent. Oh, excuse me. Oh. On that note, that's probably a really good place to end the episode. Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers.